a long time since we've been able to make an episode of Munchie Faces, so I'm really happy to be back. What about you guys?
Yeah.
We have, of course, been in quarantine, like I think most of the rest of the world. We haven't been able to go to the grocery store and make videos like we wanted to, so it's been tough to try to make a video, but now that things are opening up a little bit more, it's a little bit easier, so we have a new episode for you today.
What?
Well, we're going to do an episode on the country called Ghana. Do you guys know about Ghana?
Ghana's where your friend lives?
So as it turns out, I have a friend who's from Ghana, and when she went home recently, I asked her if she would bring us back some treats from Ghana, and she did. We also wanted to see if we can get some stuff locally, because Munchie Faces is all about buying some great stuff and giving it a try. But as it turns out, it's not easy to find a grocery store around here that sells items from Ghana specifically. There are a lot of supermarkets that are pan-African. Africa is a really big continent, and there's a lot of diversity. So trying to fit an entire continent in one supermarket, I didn't think was really going to do the job. Exactly what we're gonna do.
Whoa!
What?
We forgot to check the map.
Well, okay, you guys are getting way ahead of me because there's still a little bit more. Yes?
Can I try this too?
Go ahead, Charlie, you say something.
Try something that is a little bit too tricky because that little box was singers and I beat them and there are no coin left. And then there was no coin. And then the basket and the end.
That's a great story, Charlie. Okay, we looked up some Ghanaian recipes and we've shared them below in the description for the video so that you could try to make them too. There's something that we do before we bring all the food on the table, and what is that?
Check the map!
Whew, yeah, we checked the map. Here we are at the map. Katie, Charlie, and I are here, and Ghana is all the way over here. From New York, it would take about 10 hours by plane to get there. Ghana is a small country on Africa's western coast, but despite its small size, it packs a lot of diversity. The coast is home to the capital, Accra, with lush plant life alongside bustling city life. It's no surprise that you'll find fish and tropical influences in the food here, like plantain and coconut. There's also a cool street food scene here, so there's a lot to explore if you like to eat. Other parts of the country are drier, including stretches of plains and savannas, so many dishes include root vegetables like sweet potato and cassava. In fact, Ghana has really figured out some ingenious ways to use the indigenous plants. Cassava flour is used to make breads, dumplings, and all sorts of dishes, with the most common cassava dish being fufu. For such a small country, Ghana has so many interesting dishes and things to try. With 11 languages spoken and over 100 different ethnic groups represented, it feels like you could eat something different for every day of your vacation to Ghana and never have the same thing twice. So without a grocery store to go to, we don't want to just Google things and tell you about it because that's not a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's boring.
We can't exactly go there.
Yeah.
Like we did with the Polish episode, although that would be cool. Instead, we thought it would be great if we brought my friend from Ghana to the conversation, so we made a phone call.
Hello.
Hey!
Hello.
How are you, Maame?
I'm great. How's everyone?
Oh, we're doing okay.
Katie here.
Hi, Katie.
Charlie, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Hi, Charlie.
Hi.
Katie, you met Maame when you went to my office. Do you remember meeting Maame? Oh, Charlie, you've escalated this relationship quite quickly. When you go back home to Ghana, what are the recipes that you most look forward to eating?
Okay, so jollof is a must. That is one that there's still like a big debate between Ghana, Nigeria, Senegal as to who actually came up with the concept. Wache, I don't know if that one came up, but that's like a rice and beans mix. Kind of tastes like Jamaican rice and peas. And then we're very big on sauces that are like tomato-based sauces. The standard base for the sauces are all the same, and it's very tomato heavy.
Well, I'm excited that you said jollof because we did pick jollof as one of the recipes that we're making. I'm curious because I also heard that there is a friendly but heated debate about whose jollof is the best between the countries where jollof is made. So I would guess that you think that Ghana's jollof is the best, am I right?
I mean, without a doubt. It is the best. This is not even up for discussion. Ghana has the best jollof.
And then we also picked out, and you'll have to help me with the names of some of these things, but is it kelewele?
Oh, spicy plantain. That is amazing. Yes, it's the fried sweet plantain.
And the last one that we're making is this grilled tilapia with all these spices.
Really good ones, Michelle. You picked really, really good ones.
Oh, I'm so happy to hear that. I also heard that Ghana has a really good street food culture, so I wanted to tap into that a little bit.
So kelewele is very street. The grilled tilapia is amazing just because we do a lot of fish in the south. Just because we sit on the Atlantic Ocean. And so tilapia is a big one for us.
Nice. Okay, so I've been marinating mine since yesterday in all the spices.
Perfect.
Hey, all right, I'm doing things right.
Overnight is best.
Cool.
Perfect.
Oh, I feel so good about myself right now. One of the snacks that you brought us back from Ghana, I can't pronounce. I think it's nkati keke?
Nkati cake. Okay, so nkati is translation for granuts. And it's kind of like a peanut brittle. Same concept. You take a couple of roasted nuts, like grind it up, not fine, but into like chunks, pieces, and then you add sugar, and so you kind of put it in the sugar and keep stirring so the sugar actually caramelizes.
Everything is very, very flavorful.
Yes.
I was curious, when you came to America, did you find the food here to be very bland?
Extremely so. Everything I will probably marinate the way we marinate Ghanaian food. Even if I'm making an American version, I still need to add a little bit of flavor to it.
We opened the chocolate package, and are they the most famous chocolates in Ghana?
So they are popular right now. They're relatively new. They use a lot of tropical flavors. So you might find banana, mango, ginger, which you usually wouldn't find in other chocolates from around the world. So that's why those ones are a lot more popular. I think there's orange, a lot of tropical flavors that you get locally. Chocolate is a really big thing for us because we're either second or third in terms of producers of cocoa beans.
Wow, I didn't know that. It looks like the kind of place where you could go and have this amazing tropical vacation. So if people wanted to go to Ghana, what are some things that you recommend that they must do on their vacation to Ghana?
There's a lot of history, especially during this time where there's a lot of focus on racial injustice. There's a lot of history with Ghana just because we were one of a few ports where a lot of ships left with slaves. And so you have a lot of slave castles because they would bring people from different parts of Africa. There's that, but then there's also, I would recommend... Chocolate milk, yes. Not far away from Cancun where you get to play with crocodiles because...
Whoa.
But not when they're hungry.
Could you imagine?
In the South, we have a lot of beaches. We're very beach type of people in the South, in the sense of a lot of people are fishermen. The beach is where people go to relax. It's where people go to meet up. So you have a lot of parties on the beach, a lot of good street food on the beach.
That sounds so much fun. Wow, cool.
It's a fun place. I mean, I'm a little biased, but
are you ready to cook?
It's cook time!
So we're gonna go in the kitchen. Thank you so much, Maame, for talking to us about Ghana.
It's cook time!
Sure is. We've got 3 great recipes, Maame approved. So we're gonna start with jollof rice. All right, so I've already
made the jollof rice.
Well, I've made a few things. Look at this spice mixture. Doesn't that look really good? Smell.
Smells too much.
It is very flavorful. Remember, Maame said that the food in America tasted bland to her. The food in Ghana is packed with flavor, and this spice mixture is just an excellent example. We're gonna take the onions and the vegetable oil, and we're gonna put it in a blender. Okay, now
Retreat!
All right, Katie, the lab part's over. Supposed to put this in here. Do you want to use the spatula to get some of it out? There you go, yeah.
To make it red.
I'm gonna follow the instructions accordingly. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. And if we make a mistake, that's okay, right? now. So you gotta pour. Here, you wanna hold the bowl and I'll do the... Be careful with the pouring. Go ahead. Ooh, very well done. Yes.
I open this?
Yes. So this fish has tons of herbs and spices and flavors. Now we're doing the plantains.
What are plantains?
I'm surprised to hear you ask me that because we've eaten plantains before. I make them at Christmas time.
Christmas?
Yes, for Noche
Oh,
Buena.
could I eat them?
Okay. Put all the plantain pieces in here. This mixture together, okay? So that all the banana pieces, well, plantain pieces, are coated, okay? Okay, come take a look at the jollof rice. The instructions said that the tomato mixture would turn a redder color if we were doing it right. I believe we're ready to put the rice in. Here's the next thing. Ooh, careful. Have to cover it with foil. I've never done this before. Oh. Okay, we've got it covered with foil and the lid, and then we set 30 minutes. My kitchen has never smelled so... It's good, but it is a very powerful smell. I'm ready to start eating. Are you guys?
Yeah.
I'm really excited to try the fish.
Ooh, I would like to try the fish too.
Good.
How about you?
What'd you think?
I want the...
Oh, is it spicy? Oh, here you go.
How about you eat
That fish is the best tilapia I've ever had. I'm not ashamed to say
How
it.
about you?
Yeah, I'll eat yours. I'll eat yours. I'll eat yours. I'll eat all of that. Tilapia is always so boring when I eat it. This tilapia is the most exciting tilapia I've ever had. This is the fried plantain. So what do you think?
Yeah. Oh, then I will eat yours. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
This is really good. I'm not just saying this because Maame is my friend. Maame, this is really good food. I can understand you coming to the United States and be like, all right, I'm gonna eat food in America. And be like, this is it? This is so good. Charlie's happy. Yeah. I'm even gonna say, those plantains, the kelewele, I like it better than my maduros. I'm gonna be making that more often.
Hey, Chili Willy, Chili Willy.
Alright, that's the jollof rice. I think I needed to let it simmer for a little longer because mine came out more liquidy than the picture. Ooh, that's a very yummy flavor.
Is that a good idea?
It is a good idea. Would you like to try one of the chocolates?
Yep.
Katie, you were desperate to have the milk chocolate. There's a few different kinds. That one's flavored like mango. Is it good? Mm-hmm. What do you think, Charlie? All right. There was also some of these coconut chips that came from Maame.
That's the favorite thing I ever tasted.
That is pretty good. There's only one thing left, and it's the thing that I can't pronounce. That's like peanut brittle. That's kind of like an energy bar. You want to try it?
Huh. You're hot.
It's hot? Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, I'm getting that now. Oh, yeah. The spice lingers. Hold on. You were eating that chocolate and that plantain, and you look like you were enjoying yourself quite a lot. It was good, right? Yeah. I'm linking to all three of the recipes that we made in the description of this video so that you can make them too.
And there's a beach.
I'm excited about
the crocodile.
You play with the crocodile, yes. There's a lot to like about Ghana.
Yeah.
If you liked our video, we hope that you'll like it and hit that subscribe button so that you'll see our new videos. 1, 2, 3.
Bye!
Cut, print, check the gate.